Hello guys, today we're making a paper airplane. So obviously you need a piece of paper and all the other items that you would normally need to make a paper airplane, including matchsticks, ping pong paddle, and scissors. Gingerbread scissors. If they're not gingerbread scissors, they're not gonna work. Okay, first you gotta cut off the corners. Make it a little more aerodynamic. Second, you have to fold it in half. Cut a little under your old cut in the corner to make it all match up. And bring this corner to that right there. Fold it. So it should look like that. And right here to that, right there. And then fold it. So it should look like that. And then get one of your matches. Take it out. Okay, now you have to get the match. You have to go light it. Okay. Remember, you have the box so you could strike it on. Light the match. Light each corner. Oh crap. Okay, get another match. It didn't work. Strike it and light the end on fire. Like so. And then this one. And quickly shake it so it doesn't all go on fire. And that's good enough. Now you throw that in the fire pit. Then open up your thing, and then you should have that hole. Now, next step. Okay, so after you have the hole in the middle, crumble it all up. And then get your ping pong paddle and just bounce it on your things a couple times in a row. I think that's good enough. Get the scissors and just cut it in half. Okay, so after you cut it in half, just push all the file and open back up. Now you have a perfect airplane. There's one more important step. With all the paper you have left over, including the plane, just throw them in the fire pit. Like so. Then, get a match. Close the box. And then you got to light it. And then light the paper on fire. And you're all good. Thanks for watching the video. And the final result.